Hello my creative friend, Olga Sobi here, welcome to a new acrylic pouring tutorial. Today I'm going to create a flow with really hot energetic colors, so this is going to be the colors of my flow, and I want to go for a little darker, deeper base with sort of the same color palette, and using the ring today, doing the painting with Breaking Through the Limits series with the flow going through that ring. So let's get started. Dancing Energy secret message today, working on 12 by 24 inches canvas. For my base, I'm going to create a multicolor base. So this color here, I mix some red and burgundy and black. This is really dark, deep color. For some highlights in my base, I mix some reds. There's some reds and magentas here. They will blend in nicely with this burgundy color. I think I want to also add a couple touches of black for even darker, deeper shades. And this one here is carmine red. So very beautiful, rich red color. I want to use this iridescent orange in my flow, but maybe a couple drops of it in the base as well. This is looking good. I got a ton of air bubbles, so let's torch it out and swipe it out as well. I do love pops of this carmine a lot, so I think I will add a couple more lines of it before I tilt it out. Just using all of those drips to cover up the sides so that I don't need to tilt too much and lose a lot of paint. I think this base looks perfect now, just need to torch it out a little. These colors look already cool, but they're gonna dry much darker, so it will create a nice background for lighter and brighter colors. So I want to have my flow going sort of diagonally like this and have my ring in the center. Before adding the ring, I need to blow out part of the flow. So let's go like this. This is gonna be the shape. Oh, this works. I always like to make it work with the background, so using the lines in the background to guide me. Flow and the base are in full harmony with each other. I want to add a bit of that carmine red as well into my flow. Have some vermilion orange. This is going to be one of the main colors. This was iridescent orange yellow. I'm gonna have a couple pops of azo yellow as well. Azo yellow light. And this color here is golden yellow. It's not metallic, it's just the name of it, but there's no actual gold shimmer in it. This is just a little more orangey, muted yellow. And I want to add some gold, but I want my ring to be golden, so I don't want this gold to blend in with the ring too much, so I'm gonna add it just closer to the outer edge of the flow. I need to top it up with a little more white to help my cells show through, to create even more highlights. Looking good. Oh, this is such a strong color palette. So I'm gonna blow out this section, add the ring design, and then blow out the next one to really achieve that 3D effect. I'm worried that I might have a little too much yellow and that will steal attention from my golden ring. I don't know. In case you haven't seen some of my previous videos from Breaking Through the Limits series, oh my god, you totally should check them out. But I'm gonna dip this ring in gold just on the edge and add it over in this painting. I'm gonna have it as close to the center as possible. So now I'm going to lift the ring, and when I do that, always pop the film. Oh, actually at this time, did not need to do that, but usually you would want to pop the paint film with some pointy tool, because otherwise it can, when it breaks, it can create some splatters. I'm lucky I didn't get any today, actually maybe just a few, but this is not bad. But oh my god, this is looking perfect. I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna blow out this part and we'll break this ring here, but it will create the effect that the flow is going through the ring. Oh, I love it. So this part right here, where the ring looks like it's broken, I usually touch it up when the paint is dry. I would actually bring it right inside here. I feel like I want to blow out a few parts in my base as well, just to get it moving a little more with the main flow. I'm super happy about this painting. It's so strong and energetic, yet the parts that are blown out, especially some details that I added with my breath, they are softer and delicate. There are a lot of soft lines. So it sort of creates this balance between strength and delicacy, and it's perfect. Here it is done and finished, and oh boy, this one is so beautiful. Totally one of my most favorite paintings from Breaking Through the Limits series. So much drama, so much energy, and I feel like it has a bit of an oriental vibe to it. What do you think? And this painting I have finished with a layer of epoxy resin, and I am so happy to share that my epoxy resin finish mastery course is successfully launched and is available for all of you guys who want to learn how to really enhance your painting with epoxy resin finish and how to achieve flawless results. And whether you're absolutely new to epoxy or have some experience with it but were not able to achieve desired results, I've got you covered. All the information in the description below the video, so check it out. And back to this painting, I think that this element, the ring, it really adds that 3D effect. And the red base itself, it's very dramatic. But having this element, it really makes this painting super dynamic. It really makes it flowing and dancing and breaking through the limits through this ring. So please let me know how do you like the outcome. I feel like I'm so happy about this painting and I would love to hear from you. What do you think? Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll chat with you in the comments below this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.